Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope you all had an amazing New Year's Day, and I shall pray that God bless you with all the happiness and all the abundance and everything that you desire, you get it in this 2023. And I am opening a new set of cards which I had received from a very special one on my birthday, and I want to show the cards box. This is the name of the card, Dreams of Gaia Tarot, and I'm really in love with the deck. If I get time, I would definitely bring in a review on this for my YouTube viewers and also for my tarot card students and my tarot followers, because it's a beautiful deck, and I feel it's a deck which everyone should have and every tarot reader should have, because it has amazing elements, it has a beautiful blend. So let's see what is the day for you today. Can you see this? Body and mind. I'm just in love with these cards. I'll just pull one more card and then we will go to the readings. So this is what is for you today. As I said, what I especially like about these cards are it also represent the elements, and for me in Wicca, elements is a very important part. So these both are the elements of the air. So the first one is body and mind. Maybe today, whatever comes your way, be open-minded and don't think no what I'm thinking is wrong. No, because whatever you're thinking, you are thinking in the right way, but at the same time don't allow it to affect your body. That is why the card comes as body and mind. So whatever you're thinking is not necessary that it is your illusion. It might be the facts, but whatever happens, I've always said, happens for a cause. So don't allow it to overpower your mind. Instead, change yourself, accept it, break the barrier of I will not accept it, I'm not ready for it. Instead of that, break that barrier, accept it, and I'm sure you're going to love yourself for it, and you're going to understand that it's okay and I don't need to bring it in my mind. I just need to go with the flow. Today I feel you should wear the color pink. See, butterflies are here, so maybe the universe is saying that the fairies, the angels, everyone is going to bless you. Just accept the changes which is coming your way, because it's the new year has just begun, so some beautiful changes I'm sure are going to come. So the color is going to be pink today. Also today, if possible, if you have a rose quartz, have a bath with little bit of rose quartz dissolved, soaked in the water for some time, because it will give you beautiful and positive energies. Have a beautiful and a lovely day ahead. Thank you.